to commemorate a pivotal moment in the history of our nation, Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Diwas, which is observed every year on 26 November. This day holds great importance in Indian history because it reminds us of the moment when the Constitution of India was adopted in 1949. It came into effect on 26 January 1950, making India a sovereign democratic republic. हमारा संविधान केवल एक कागज का टुकड़ा नहीं है, बल्कि यह हमारे देश की आत्मा है। इसने हमें न्याय, स्वतंत्रता, समानता और बंधुत्व के सिद्धांत दिए हैं। संविधान के माध्यम से हर नागरिक को मौलिक अधिकार मिले हैं, जैसे कि समानता का अधिकार, अभिव्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता, शिक्षा का अधिकार और सांस्कृतिक अधिकार। साथ ही यह हमें हमारे कर्तव्य भी याद दिलाता है कि हम अपने देश के प्रति जिम्मेदार नागरिक बने। The chief architect of our constitution was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as father of Indian Constitution. Along with him, many great leaders and experts worked day and night to create a constitution. They studied constitutions of many countries, discussed ideas, debated challenges, and finally crafted one of the world's most detailed and powerful constitutions. India's constitution stands as a symbol of our unity and democracy. For us, Constitution Day is more than just a school event. It is a reminder that we are the future citizen of India. The values written in Constitution are not meant to be memorized. They are meant to be practiced. When we speak truthfully, treat others kindly, obey rules, stand against discrimination, work hard and respect everyone, we are following the principles of the Constitution. Today, as we celebrate Constitution Day, let us take a moment to honor the vision of our founding leaders. Let us remember that our Constitution is not just a document, it is a living guide that continues to shape our nation every day. Let us pledge to respect our rights, follow our duties, and uphold the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. If we stand united and responsible, there is no limit to which India can achieve. Jai Hind. Now I would like to call Devankan to read out the preamble.